Welcome to this tooling video. In this video, we are going to discuss the cost-benefit analysis, or CBA. A cost-benefit analysis is used to evaluate the ratio between the benefits and the costs of certain measures. The cost-benefit analysis requires financial terms to be assigned to both costs and benefits to be able to calculate the benefit-cost ratio. The cost-benefit ratio can be found by dividing all the benefits by all the costs. Good CBA also takes into account non-monetary costs and benefits, like brand exposure. However, you need to be able to put a monetary value to these costs and benefits in order to include them. If the ratio is larger than 1, then the project is profitable. When there are several profitable projects, which option should you choose? For example, let's say there are 3 projects with benefits of 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000 euros consecutively. If this would be your only information, you are bound to pick the third project. However, all projects have costs. For project A, this is 600 euros, for project B, 1,000 euros, and for project B, the cost is 1,700 euros. If this would be your only information, you're bound to pick the third project. It can be seen that all projects are profitable as they all have a ratio that is higher than 1. Project B yields the highest return as it has the highest cost-benefit ratio and is therefore the most favourable option. Project C would be the second favourable option and Project A the least favourable. Another possibility is to look at risk and the prevention of costs instead of financial gain. This ratio can be calculated by subtracting the liability of the residual risk from the liability of the original risk and dividing this by the prevention costs. It still holds that if the ratio is larger than 1, the project should be accepted, and when it is smaller than 1, the project should be rejected. For example, let's say you buy a new phone and the original cost when you break it is 500 euros. In order to prevent that you have to pay the whole amount when you break it, there is an offer for a phone insurance of 300 euros. The residual cost, or risk, is however 250 euros that you need to pay yourself. The cost-benefit ratio is therefore 500 euros less 250 euros and divided by 300, giving a total of 0.83. As the ratio is smaller than 1, you should therefore reject the offer and not take the insurance. When the salesperson looks again, he sees that he has made a mistake and that the insurance, or prevention cost, is no longer 300 euros, but has now been dropped to 100 euros instead. Now, you want to accept the offer, as the cost-benefit ratio of 2.5 is higher than 1. This makes the phone insurance affordable and worthwhile. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tooling video.